So the other picture is like, see this one.
Sir, they are showing subject arts, English,
Fine.
science, math, Hindi, Telugu and social.
This kind of artwork I need from you all. I want it very neatly. Please do it neatly. Some of the students, they are doing like for time pass. They are not interested in art, I think so. So they are doing it as a time pass. Please don't do that. That is your creative work, where you can show your creative mind and your fun time. Fine. So I want this kind of work from you all. Now, if anybody wants to ask the question, they can unmute themselves and ask me.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good
मैम
morning.
अभी क्या समझा रहे थे आप?
Who is
मैम
this?
फर्स्ट वाली पिक्चर दिखाइए ना मैम।
Listen,
मैम माय नेम इज जाफरी। मैम
1 minute, 1 minute. Just listen to me. All the pictures, whatever I have showed you now, I am going to share all these pictures in Google Classroom. All the pictures will be in Google Classroom. No need to worry. You can see the picture and copy the same thing. Or else,
मैम आप डाल दीजिए वो पेंटिंग।
yes, I am going to share the painting in
Ma'am.
Google Classroom. Yes.
मैम वो इतने छोटे छोटे पिज्जा काटना मैम।
Yes. Listen, Karrar. I'm explaining everything. In between, if
मैम
you
वो क्या
ask,
है मैम जो छोटे छोटे पीसेस कर कर
just
चूड़ी बना?
wait for a minute. Will you all please wait? Let me explain. Shall I explain without
आपको आर्ट आता
the
है?
questions?
यस यस
Shall I explain or should I not? Okay, fine. This is called mosaic art, paper mosaic art. You're going to cut the small color papers. Like whatever painting you're doing, it is depend on your painting, what type of color papers you need. If you need blue, green, yellow, orange, so cut the pieces of those papers only, very small pieces. I don't want this much big pieces. If you do the big pieces, I will put 0. Okay. If in the painting also there is a big picture piece, you do it small. If you do it in a small pieces, that painting really looks good. If you put big pictures, it doesn't look good. Fine. So we are going to do a paper mosaic art. So I am sharing a pictures in all the pictures in Google Classroom. Even the small cutting pieces of paper picture also I am sending. So how much small you have to cut. So that sample picture also I'm sharing with, I'll share with you that picture also, not to worry. See, I'm just sharing a picture. Let it get open.
Your video is stucking.
Yeah, no problem. So
मैम अभी नहीं आया ना, हम देख रही हैं।
हाँ, अभी आता बेटा. You have to wait. You have to wait, dear. Just give me 1
Okay
minute.
मैम।
Yeah, I'll just share. See, this much small pieces you have to cut with different colors. But it is just a sample picture. Whatever picture you are making, according to that picture, you are going to cut the pieces of color paper. Okay. It can be sometimes you can use newspapers also. If you don't have color papers, I'm giving you an idea. So you can color the papers and use those papers into small pieces. So it will look more creative when you color the newspaper.
मैम
Like,
अभी वो जो आप
let
मोर
me finish my explanation, please.
मैम वो बताए थे ना, वो फिर से बताइए ना मैम।
Will you please wait for a minute? Let me finish my explanation. Okay, listen. If you color the newspaper like green color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, brown, black and all, then cut after finishing the color, it gets dry off. You can cut small pieces of newspaper also, and that look more creative. That artwork look more creative. Fine. So Zoha Afrin, don't worry. Whatever pictures I have just shared, I'm going to share all these pictures in Google Classroom. Okay, all the pictures.
मैम
I'm going to share 3 to 4 pictures of your mosaic painting and a paper cutting picture also. And I'll give the description what you have to do. I'm sharing the picture on the screen. Just have a look. I'll stop this. I'll just share the other picture.
मैम
Yeah.
मैम माय Google Classroom is not allow.
मैम आप जो भेजे सो वो आ गए हमाकन.
हाँ beta, now I'm sharing a picture with you. See, this is one more artwork. This is also called paper mosaic only. See in this, what they have done. They have done a color paper with sponge. They have colored the paper with sponge. Then they have cut the small pieces and they have done the sticking part. Fine.
मैम कलर पेपर से भी कर सकते.
That's what I'm telling you, beta. You have to use color papers only. If you don't have color
मैम आप
papers,
ये स्पंज का बनाए.
no, beta. This is with something else, but you have to make it with paper, not with sponge. I gave you an idea to do the color with sponge. Instead of using brush, you take a paper, take a sponge and put the patches and color that paper, then cut into small pieces and stick like this, like a boat. Fine. So please students, do something good and creative work. You have complete 1 week time. You have to submit on Saturday, not today. I'm giving you 1 week time. Till Saturday you can submit me this, because in between you have some test also. So I'm not telling you you have to do it now only. I don't know anything. By Saturday or Sunday. Okay. So you have lots of time. So I'm sharing around 3 to 4 paintings of paper mosaic. From that you can choose the painting. From that you can choose the painting and do it, or else you can do your own also. Fine.
मैम आप फर्स्ट वाली पिक्चर दिखाए ना.
Yeah. Just wait. I'm showing. Okay, fine. Just wait. I'm just showing.
Yes. Fine.
What we are doing now in the
Yeah.
class?
In the class, you're going to do one of the drawing from this. I'll tell you. Just wait a minute. Okay, just wait a minute. You want to see this picture? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's look at this picture for 2 to 3 minutes and understand what it is showing. Fine, I'm going to ask the questions from this.
मैम ये पिक्चर पेपर
Ma'am, we need to draw this picture.
No,
मैम कौन
no, you don't have to draw that picture.
मैम कौन सी भी पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं ना.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that picture we need to draw.
This is not a painting. Iftihar, this is not a painting. This is a paper mosaic art. Yeah. Who asked me one question like we have to draw this painting? Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we need to draw this
Listen,
for
Shabir.
mosaic work.
Yeah, it can be same painting, it can be different also. It is depend on you. If you want to do something by your own, you can do. I'm sharing the pictures in Google Classroom. You can check it over there later on, not now. Why to waste the time now? You can check it out later on and do the paper mosaic art. Again, I'm explaining paper mosaic art is nothing but we are going to cut the color papers into small pieces. We are going to cut the color papers into small pieces, whatever related to the painting, whatever colors are there related to your painting, we are going to do that only. Fine.
Ma'am, only we need to draw
Only,
now in the class.
you don't have to draw this. How can you draw? I can't show you 3 pictures in the class now. I can't show you 3 pictures in the class. Like one by one, if other students want some other picture, then how can they do that? So that's why I'm sharing the pictures in Google Classroom. See over there, any picture, whatever you want to do, and do that. Okay. See, again, I'm showing you the picture. This is one more. This is really very good bird picture. This comes out really good. If you want to show the color of the bird with different colors, you can do that also. It's not compulsory you are going to use the same colors. You can change your colors. You can show more creative work. And here, whoever is doing that work, please don't do. From next time, I'm not going to share any pictures with you. Not at all. Directly, I'll just give you the explanation without showing the picture. And I'll tell you to do the picture. Whatever artwork it is. Whoever is doing, please erase that lines. I'm warning you for this. Fine. Thank you so much. And this meeting is getting recorded. And whoever is doing, they'll be getting a mail from the management for doing this thing.
Ma'am, I not doing. See, my hand is here.
No, I'm not telling you. I'm not telling exactly to a person. I'm telling to everyone from next time, be sure that you're not going to do such activities in the class. When we are sharing the screen, everyone is seeing that. If you do that, who will see the screen then? That is wrong. If you are taking a class and someone is doing like this, even you will feel the same thing. Fine. I will do one day that also. So you can change the color of the bird. Here you have a leaves and a branch. So in this, you can use original branch and leaves also. If you want to do something more creative. Fine. It's not related to only picking a paper. You can show something creative also. Or else, yes.
कौन सा भी एनिमल बना सकते हैं मैम अपन?
जरूरी नहीं है सिर्फ एनिमल्स बनाना. You have many things. You can do a scenery also. You can do a poster also. You can do cartoons also. It is not compulsory you have to make animals, birds. If I'm sharing a bird, it doesn't mean you're going to make a bird. You can make a scenery also.
Okay, sir.
Fine. And one more thing. This mosaic art, you can stick it on a cardboard also. Like bird is there. I'm just giving you an example. Please listen. नहीं तो फिर आप लोग confuse हो जाते. Bird is there. You can stick small color papers on the cardboard in the shape of the bird, and you can cut that cardboard and stick it on your drawing book. So it looks more something good. It looks little bit different, something creative. So I am giving you all the ideas how you can do. It is not compulsory you're going to stick directly papers on the paper. You can do more creative things. You can draw a bird on the cardboard and stick colorful bird over there, small pieces, cut into that shape and stick it over here. You can use a original branch and leaves, or else you can make a branch with the cardboard, leaves with the cardboard and stick the papers on it. It looks something different. Fine. So I want this kind of artwork from you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone is going to do a good work because there are some students who are really very dedicated to the artwork. They are submitting their work properly and all. I don't know what happened to others, why they are not submitting. They are taking it easy. I don't know why. But try to submit that. Try to do that work. And next activity will be something totally different. Totally different. Fine. So we are doing paper mosaic art. Fine. So with a creative way, now I want to see your creativity, what you are going to show. Fine. Small kids are doing really very nice. So I want from you also a nice artwork. Fine. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what FA exam you have today?
No.
Nothing is there today?
No, ma'am. No.
No.
So you are
Tomorrow is
tomorrow. From tomorrow.
from tomorrow. So
Yes,
lucky. Very good. Lucky people. So you don't have. Very good. Okay. So tomorrow, which paper you have?
English and maths.
English and then math.
English, Max.
English and maths, ma'am.
And maths.
Okay. English and maths.
Yes.
Fine. And Muhammad Najib ur Rahman. It is Najib. Muhammad Najib.
Yes, ma'am.
Your full name is Najibur Rahman only?
No, ma'am. Muhammad Aribur Rahman.
Beta, I told you many times you have to change your name over there. If you are showing Najib, then I will put attendance for Najib. Okay. So is there now beside your name? Rename will be there now. Please do it over there. So today Rayan is present. Rayan, why you were not coming from so many classes? Hello, Rayan. Hello, Rayan. Can you tell me why you were not coming for the classes? Hello, Rayan. Yeah, tell me why you are not coming for the classes, beta. Hello, Rayan. Hello, brother Rayan. Can you talk to me? Yeah, Rayan, why you are not coming for the classes from so many days? You are? Hello, Rayan. I can't hear you properly. Please tell me or type the message in the chat box. Why you are not coming for the classes?
Ma'am, can I draw standing line?
What standing line? Hello, Rayan. By Saturday night, midnight, or Sunday morning, you can submit your paper mosaic art. You have a complete 1 week time. I will put the due date of Sunday. So by Sunday, you have to submit. Okay, everyone. So Rayan, you have to answer me why you are not coming for the classes. From past so many days, you are not coming. Please type your answer in the chat box. I can't hear you. Please type your answer in the chat box. Okay. Fine, everyone. So if the meeting gets end, no need to re-log in. Please do start doing your mosaic art, cutting the small pieces of the paper according to your drawing. Okay, fine. So I'll be sharing the pictures in Google Classroom. All the pictures with the instructions. By Sunday, you have to submit me. Fine. So Rayan, please type your message in the chat box. I want to see. There are many students who are not coming for the classes and not submitting your artwork. So by this weekend, I'm going to call all the parents of all these students for not submitting the work and why they are not submitting. I'm going to ask your parents also. Like my children's, what they are doing at home, they have lots of work that they are not doing the artwork. Very busy students. Yeah, you all are very busy people, no? Yeah, then what? You don't have time to submit your work then.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. Don't worry. Best of luck for tomorrow's paper. And I think so tomorrow, which paper you have?
English and Maths.
English and Maths. Wow, lovely subjects. Both are totally different. Two different ways, north and south. In English, commas, full stops and all. In Maths, oh my God, minus, plus, into and one mistakes, gone everything.
Division.
Yes, then what? That's what I'm telling you now. If you do one mistake in Maths, if in instead of minus sign, if you put plus sign, that is wrong. In English also, instead of full stop, if you put comma, everything changes. So best of luck for your exam. Enjoy and do it. It is multiple choice, not to worry. Completely multiple choice paper. So best of luck.
That is easy. All subjects are easy, ma'am.
Yes,
all subjects.
Yeah. And in arts also, I'm telling you, in arts, whatever you have done in your class and Google Classroom, आपने जितने भी activities करे हैं, उसी में से questions है आपको. Fine. अगर आप कुछ भूल गए हैं, तो you can go and see in the Google Classroom what activities I have taught you. Like newspaper painting, newspaper creative artwork, and 5 senses, all those things. So from those activities only, I'll be asking the multiple choice questions. Fine. Everyone will come to know from there only. Fine, everyone. So you will be doing a nice work, paper mosaic art.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can expect something good work now.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Fine. Later on, it will be flower arrangement work. Be ready for flower arrangement also. You are only going to make the flowers and you are only going to do the arrangement.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So later on, you will be having stitching part also. I'll make you stitch. Yes. You have to take needle and thread and start stitching something good artwork. With waste material only. You're going to do it with waste material only. Stitching part. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So next class is on Thursday. So Thursday you have arts exam. So be prepared for that. So all the questions will come from your activities only. In 1 minute, your class will get end. So no need to
Bye
re-log in.
bye.
Okay, fine. So
Bye.
bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe and don't trouble your parents. Hello, Muzammil. Even I want your work, Muzammil.
Bye.
Okay, Muzammil, आप work करोगे.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Barbie doll. Barbie. Okay.
Barbie doll, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.
Okay.
2 minutes में आपको नहीं लगी।